It's currently 10:39 p.m. and we're about to go to Atlanta at 7-ish in the morning, and I still have not packed yet. We got here. No accidents. Whoa! No way. Oh wait. It's gonna be so cold.
It is. Hold on.
No way. Oh, she's peeing. Come here. Oh, come here. Ooh, good girl. Bear's like, what the hell is this? You know what? Hold on. Give me time.
Oh. Wow.
Oh my god.
That's crazy.
I feel like we're in a Hallmark movie.
I wanna
Wake
go
up.
make a snow angel.
No. House is real. Bear. It's so cold, Bear. Why so cold? He's like.
Can I get a picture with the human? Get the humans out the way. Oh my gosh, Bear!
Did it go in my pocket? Shake. Ooh! I was not expecting to wake up today to snow, but this is crazy. Wow, snow in your hair. Wow. Oh, are you a snow angel?
Oh my god, what is that?
What is that? What?
Hello, vlog. Today we're making food.
Cooking with Lena.
Me as a single mother of 7 kids.
Such a hard work mom.
On a budget on a snowy day. Cheesy egg whites.
Oh, hell no. You want it or not?
Yes. What the hell?
Just take it.
Ooh, go ahead and slam it.
Where?
Ooh. Oh no!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Lena. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Yeah.
Dreaming.
You want to move it? No.
I'm gonna put some more Cajun. Maybe a little bit more actually. Now we're gonna toss this all up.
Don't play with her. She got Cajun seasoning.
Oh yeah.
Tell Gordon Ramsay to watch out. Chef Boyardee.
Dang, what's the battery on this?
Oh, I don't know. I forgot I was recording.
It's a hammerhead.
What is that? A dookie? A dookie?
Jupiter.
No flashy photography.
We are so excited to have you all here at 22.5
really?
The Fin.
We're gonna go in here for Cindy.
What's in here? Are we supposed to go in here? Yeah. Oh. What the? What the? What? What is this tiny? Wait. Bro. Oh. My back.
That was a workout.
Yeah.
Now I do want to let y'all know this is only one place where you can see our beluga whales. As you continue through the gallery, you will see our sea otters and our puffins and our penguins. And if you're lucky, you may even get to see our octopus.
As your kelp for eating as your sea urges, so the kelp
What are they
flora
looking
cannot
for?
be destroyed.
What are they
And also, did you know that you had any questions? I'm glad to answer any questions you may have.
Oh, they're
And also, as you look
Yeah,
down
they're
on
fighting
to
over
the right-hand
food.
side,
What?
It's a whale shark.
That's huge. Bro. Is this gross, guys? Tell me now.
Orange chicken.
No,
Charlie's getting it.
I'm telling you now. Oh yeah, Charlie's getting it too. Oh my gosh, yay, cheers! Yeah. What? Babe, we gotta get one.
What are you looking at?
Look,
Looking.
what is this?
It's
These are like
Dango.
mochi. Like
It's
mochi balls.
yeah, it's like mochi balls.
Should we get one?
I already had it.
You should get one of these.
Is it good?
Let's get one of these.
It's not teriyaki.
Like one of these.
I thought it was teriyaki. These are better.
Okay.
In my opinion.
You had it before?
Yeah, my dad likes these.
Should we try the green tea one?
What, that one?
Yeah. That one?
Yeah, that one's really good.
Alright, we're getting it. How do I open?
Other side.
Green tea! Ooh, a cheesecake.
Daifuku.
Thank you.
Ooh. Wow. Good bite. Good bite.
Tastes like fresh fruit.
This is what I needed.
Crazy.
It's at the spot right now.
Crazy.